What is FLR, FLR? FLR stands as an innovative Layer 1 platform rooted in the EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine ecosystem. Its fundamental objective is to enhance the practicality of blockchain technology by granting developers decentralized access to high-integrity data sourced from various chains and the Internet. This strategic approach fosters the emergence of novel use cases and monetization models, all while empowering decentralized applications, dapps, to seamlessly serve multiple chains through a singular deployment. What sets FLR apart? FLR distinguishes itself through the development of two native interoperability protocols, both of which facilitate on-chain, decentralized acquisition of blockchain data, time series information, and even Web2 API data. These protocols are fortified by the network itself, establishing a dynamic framework where independent data providers are incentivized to deliver accurate and reliable data. This approach effectively mitigates risks for both users and developers within the FLR ecosystem. The state connector serves as a secure conduit for capturing event data from other blockchains and the Internet. This information is then utilized within smart contracts on the FLR network. The acquisition process is not only secure and scalable, but is also decentralized in nature. An ensemble of independent attestation providers must reach a consensus regarding the validity of an event before said information is made accessible to dapps within the network. The FLR time series. Oracle, FTSO, harnesses the inherent network structure to provide highly decentralized prices and data series to dapps on the FLR platform, all without relying on centralized data providers. By ensuring dependable access to cryptocurrency prices, intricate transaction details from different chains, and event data from Web2 platforms, FLR empowers developers to construct applications that can effectively enhance utility for a broader spectrum of users. The role of the FLR, FLR. Token, FLR functions as the native token within the FLR ecosystem. Its utility encompasses facilitating payments, covering transaction fees to prevent spam attacks, and supporting staking activities in validator nodes. Additionally, FLR can be wrapped into an ERC20 variant known as WFLR. This wrapped token serves diverse purposes. For instance, it can be delegated to FTSO data providers or utilized for participation in governance. Importantly, these usages do not preclude the tokens from being employed within other EVM-compatible dapps and smart contracts on the FLR network. The process of minting wrapped FLR, WFLR, involves depositing native FLR tokens into a smart contract, subsequently receiving newly minted WFLR tokens. Circulation of FLR tokens. The inception of the FLR mainnet occurred on July 14, 2022, followed by a public token distribution event, TDE, on January 9, 2023. At Genesis, a total supply of 100 billion FLR tokens was made available, with 12 billion FLR tokens already in circulation immediately following the TDE. The public token distribution is ongoing, spanning 36 monthly installments, and ultimately delivering a total of 28,524,921,372 FLR tokens to the community. FLR operates as an inflationary network, with 10% of the circulating supply minted within the first year. These newly minted FLR tokens are allocated to FLR time series Oracle data providers, and the token holders who delegate to them, 70%, validators, 20%, and state connector attestation providers, 10%. Founders of FLR, FLR. FLR was brought into being by its founders, Hugo Fillion, Sean Rowan, and Dr. Nairi Usher. Currently, they serve as the CEO, CTO, and Chief Scientist of FLR, respectively. Their journey began during their studies in machine learning at University College London, where their shared interest in distributed systems and their potential applications converged. Where can I acquire FLR, FLR? As of now, FLR, FLR, is actively traded on various exchanges, with a range of cryptocurrency and stablecoin pairs available for trading.